Hello and welcome to Group Call Data Authorization. Once Exporter on Demand is installed, we will only share your data with applications you have authorized. Each application that utilizes Exporter on Demand must be authorized separately, which allows you to control exactly what data is being shared on an application-by-application basis. So, for example, if your cashless catering solution needs access to your staff payroll information, but your homework management tool does not, then you will only grant access to the staff payroll for the cashless catering solution. Or if little Abby Smith in Year 7's parents don't see a problem with their daughter's data being sent to the homework management tool, but for some reason they don't trust the cashless caterers, you can share Abby's data only with the appropriate applications. Let's get started. The first page displays the application you are currently authorizing and a list of data areas they wish to access. Please read this carefully, and if you are unsure why you are providing access to any data areas, please contact the application provider. If you are happy with all the data areas listed, please click Next. The following page lets you choose your data sharing mode. This is the method you wish to use to include or exclude individuals' data, like the aforementioned Abby Smith. Opt-out mode will include all students, staff, and parental contacts by default, only excluding those specified. Opt-in mode is the opposite and will exclude all students, staff, and parental contacts, only including those specified. Please note this is still bound by the data areas authorized on the previous page. If you haven't authorized the application for staff, no staff details will be shared, regardless of the opt-out or opt-in settings. Once you've made your choice, you will have the option to edit who is included or excluded before data is shared. We'll go over how to manage this once we've completed the authorization process. When you're happy with your choices, please click Next. The third and final page provides the application's data sharing agreement and the declaration that must be ticked before clicking Authorize. You will then be redirected back to the application, and if you do not need to edit your opt-in or opt-out list, authorization is complete. If you did choose to edit your opt-in or opt-out list before sharing data, then there is still one more step we must take. To manage whose data is shared, please go to https://manage.groupcall.com and log in using the same credentials used for authorization. If you're coming here straight from authorization, our login server may remember you and not ask for your details. Once logged in, select GDPR, then GDPR Data Controls. If this is the first time you're accessing this area, the data sharing authorization screen will pop up and you must agree to share your school's basic personal data with GroupCall in order for us to manage your opt-ins and opt-outs. Once you accept the agreement, the system will pull the appropriate data from your MIS and display this table. As we are currently using the opt-out method, the table lists all individuals currently included in the data feed, and we can select those we want to exclude by clicking the checkbox here, and we can add notes in the comment box. You can also search by name, reg group, or year group to find the specific individuals you want to exclude. When you're happy with your exclusions, click Enable and Save Changes. Because we chose to edit our list before data would be shared, a pop-up box will let us know this action will enable the data feed to the application. If we accept, another window will appear to confirm the changes have been saved, and an email will be sent to both you and the application provider to let you know data is now being shared. Congratulations, data authorization is now complete. Before we go, I'll just quickly show you a couple more features of the individual data controls. If you are sharing data with multiple applications, you can switch between them using this drop-down menu. If you wish to switch an application from opt-out to opt-in mode, or vice versa, please select Change Sharing Mode. A message will appear explaining how the new mode will work and also warning you that this action will clear all existing changes to your current list. This means even if you switch again back to your original sharing mode, you will need to set up your inclusions again. Once the sharing mode is switched to opt-in, you can see now all individuals are not included by default, and selecting someone will include them in the data feed. You now know everything you need to manage your group call data sharing in a GDPR environment. If you have any further questions, please contact our support team on 020-8506-6100 or email support@groupcall.com.